Hi guys, this one's for Mike Flight. On my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, I did a short video demonstrating what happens if you actually tie your rubber band to the back axle. The fact that it goes around and then it gets to the end of its run, and because of the momentum of the car, it wraps the rubber band back up again, and then the car goes backwards. Sorry about the rain. It wasn't raining when I started talking. Anyway, Mike said, what about if you use a spring? So I've got a lightweight spring there. We'll wind it up. We'll let it go and see if it does the reverse, as you can see there. Just in case you missed that, I'll just do that again. So we wind it up. It unwinds, it goes past there, the momentum, winds it up the opposite way, and we get a bit of this backwards and forwards. Now, it obviously depends on how strong your spring is as to how far it will go and how far it will come back. That's a fairly lightweight spring, so I don't expect it to go very far. Wind it up. It's just that I think this will go the full distance, and I don't really want it to go the full distance. Right, unwound, winding up again, coming back a bit. Oh, let's pick up a bit of speed. Yeah, it's not going to do a lot of forwards and backwards. We got a bit more out of the rubber band one, and I think that rubber band was stronger than that spring. I just wound that up backwards. Oh well, let's let it go front wheel drive then, see if it makes any difference. Yeah, just a couple of turns the other way, and that's it. I don't think that's a strong enough spring. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's winding back up the other way. We're going backwards a bit, but we're not doing enough to go back again. And the distance, if you were measuring your distance on some school project or something, is well short of where we wanted to go. So what I'll do this time is I'll just cut that string, because I've got it glued on there to make sure it grips. I'll cut that and just wind it round, and we'll see if it can do the full distance without stopping. Right, cut that. You won't be able to see me, but I will just wind it round so it goes over itself and holds itself in place. Right, we've wound it up, and this time the string will come free. String is free, so we're just freewheeling. Full distance. So, compared to where we were with the string tied in place, that stopped, well, it stopped about there somewhere and then rolled back. So we lost at least a third of the potential distance. So that's why you don't tie your rubber band, or in this case spring, to the back axle. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.